Robots and machines don't just move, they communicate. The secret behind this smooth coordination is the CAN bus. CAN, or Controller Area Network, is a communication protocol that lets multiple devices share information quickly and reliably. Originally built for cars, it is now powering industries and robotics. In factories, CAN bus connects sensors, motors, and controllers into a single network. This allows machines to exchange real-time data for tasks like assembly lines, conveyor systems, and packaging. It reduces wiring, improves efficiency, and ensures that every part of the system works together seamlessly. In robotics, CAN bus makes precise coordination possible. A robot's joints, sensors, and controllers use CAN to communicate instantly. This means smoother movement, quicker response, and better safety, crucial for applications like surgical robots, autonomous drones, and industrial arms. So whether it's powering smart factories or enabling advanced robotics, the CAN bus is the backbone of reliable communication. It's what makes automation intelligent and robotics truly responsive. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Pen Content Digital for more tech insights.